Alright, so we have a task at hand. We need to create a stunning portfolio website for Jatin, and this we need to do within just 5 minutes. Now I can just sit down and start to code everything from scratch, but it will take a lot of time. So instead we'll be using a website builder. Now there are already a lot of website builders out there and they are quite expensive. We want to find the most affordable one, the one which is easiest, which only has drag and drop options and does not require a lot of coding, and the third one which is the most customizable. And also, because this portfolio website will contain a lot of photos, a lot of videos, as well as a contact form, it would require a website which can support all of these requirements. This is actually going in production. We are actually creating it for my friend. So here we cannot miss out on any of the details. We would have to buy a domain and then link it with our website as well. So all these processes, every single thing will be talked about in this one single video. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's start right off. Alright, to begin with, first click the link in my description box as well as in the pinned comments and go over to Hostinger. That is the exact platform that we'll be using in order to create our portfolio website. So let me just go over to hostinger.com and let's start. So first and foremost, log in with your Google account. Now you might already know that you can create WordPress websites and then connect it with Hostinger, but that is not what we'll be doing over here. Here we'll be creating the entire website on Hostinger itself. Yes, we'll be using Hostinger's website builder in order to create our website. So the next thing that you need to do is go over to websites and create a new website. So let me just click on add a website, and then this will be where we'll be choosing Hostinger website builder instead of WordPress. So let me just go that. Alright, now Hostinger has its own AI which helps you in creating the entire website. So that's what we'll be using. We'll just enter the brand name as J Studios. The description would be about what J Studios actually is. Alright, so I've written the brand name as well as the description. Now let's create a website. Now according to my timer, I still have 3 minutes left. So let's see if we can create the website completely within these 3 minutes. Here we are, we've created the entire website, transforming ideas into reality, expert 3D modeling, exactly what we do. About J Studios, we have services. We have a gallery section where we can upload our photos, videos, all of these other things as well. Then some testimonials and then contact and support. So we have the entire website ready. We just need to customize it according to our needs. So first of all, I'll just select the color palette that I like. I'll go with this one. Okay, this color palette looks much better. Let me continue. And here I would have to change a lot of these things. So for example, instead of explore, it would be contact us, and instead of a random web address, I'll just add a Calendly link over here. Next up, we can change the background image as well as the video. So over here they are using a video right now. I would change it to having a photo instead of a video, and let's replace this with a free image. So let's just search for AR VR, and there we go. We have a lot of these images. I'll just select one. I think this looks good. Let me just add to page. Now the problem with this image is that it is mixing quite a lot with the text in front of it, so it's not readable as much. So let me just increase the overlay opacity, and much better now. So there we go. It was that easy to just change images, change content on your website. You can even drag and drop all of these things. We can see how it will look on a mobile device or on a tablet, as well as add new elements. We have so many new elements. We have text, button, even subscribe and contact us form that we would be requiring for all of our clients. The best part about it is you have an entire Instagram feed that you can just drag and drop over here. We can just connect it with our Instagram, and it's as simple as that. Now the website just does not have one landing page. Instead, it has multiple pages. We have services page, we have portfolio page where the entire photos, videos, all of these things will be placed, as well as the contact us page with our form so that people can sign up and contact us. Of course, if you want to remove certain pages or add new pages according to your choices, you can do so by clicking over to pages and navigation, and then you can do that over here directly. But we don't want to change anything over here. I think everything is perfect. We just need to add some SEO, so we can generate new SEO info or add keywords, add focus words. All of these things can be added directly over here. Now, once you're done with all of these things, you then have to connect your domain, right? So first of all, just click on get domain and you can buy a domain. It costs around 1000 rupees per year to get a domain. So let's just search for a domain. We'll just search for jstudios.com. As you can see, a .com domain is costing me around 499 rupees per year. So I can just directly buy it. So that's the cost of buying the domain. Now, once we are done with the purchase, also I just have under 1 minute to change up the website. So let me just transform the website completely and get back once again. Alright, I've changed much of the things over here on this website. I've added a section for adding videos. You can upload your videos on YouTube as well as on Vimeo and then just link it over here. It's as simple as that. Apart from that, I've also added some blogs, I've added certain testimonials, every single thing is added over here. Now, I've also connected my domain. As you can see, domain is connected. So let me just update the website and then we'll preview it. So how does the entire website look like? Let me know in the comments down below. You can go visit the website, contact J Studios if you require any 3D modeling, VR, AR services. You can directly contact them. They provide VFX services as well. So I hope you guys like this video. Do like this video, do subscribe to this channel for more such content. Here we just don't talk about the products, we actually build stuff with them. So if you want to follow me on the journey, press the subscribe button, don't forget the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.